You know, when I hit 30,
Ooh, vulnerable moment here.
something happened. I might need to relax a little bit, just kind of the right mindset.
All right.
Something happened at 30. It's called hair loss.
Oh,
I don't know if you've heard of it. So instead of trying to cover it up, I just kind of keep it shaved all the time.
I know, I think that's your look though. It's really good.
Thanks.
You're lucky. You have a nice, round, bulbous skull.
Bulbous is not, it's not complimentary.
Oh, like perfectly bulbous in the most perfect way. Anyway, but what if you have thinning hair and you don't want to do the shaved look? Maybe it's not for you. There is an option that our friends at Reflect.Salon are offering. It's not a bad toupee, you guys. It's a hair replacement system. It's very cool. It looks like your own hair.
That's right. So our executive producer, Mike Marcotte, has been hiding his thinning hair for years until now. So reporter Kelly Henson tagged along as Mike hopped in the salon chair for an incredible transformation.
Mike,
Yeah.
we are here because we're doing something very exciting today.
I have butterflies in my stomach, Kelly.
Okay, what's happening? You don't love your hair?
No, I've been thinning, my hair's been thinning since probably, what, 2016, 2017?
Okay.
My crown here is completely gone. And I use a product in my hair every day to help kind of camouflage it.
You have typical hair loss, male pattern baldness. So,
Yeah.
you know, there's a couple options you could do. You could do surgery or you could do men's hair replacement. Based on the conversations that we've had, you're a great candidate for hair replacement.
It's something that I think bothers people more than they want to admit. You know, trying to cover it up with different ways of styling to cover over thinning areas where we have a better solution.
You're having something called a hair topper.
Yeah.
Am I correct?
I believe that's right.
And it's going to adhere to your scalp.
Yep.
Right? So
Yep.
you're going to have like a full head of hair.
Yeah, and you can transform it and everything.
Because we're going to remove what's here and we're going to replace everything with new hair.
You're shaving that off.
I am. I know. That's going to be a whole thing.
Okay, let's do it.
You sure you're ready for it?
Yeah, I'm ready, Harry. Let's
Are you
go.
sure?
Yep, let's go. Let's do
You need
this.
to take a deep breath?
No, yep.
So your primary focus initially was women going through cancer treatment,
That's right.
They would come to you and say, I would like some kind of hair.
My career started 34 years ago, so I've been in the business for 34 years. And about 20 years ago, I had a client that was diagnosed with cancer, and I felt really bad that I didn't know how to take care of her.
I'm gonna look more like my father
Yes,
with every second.
yeah. I've seen some of this on TikTok, you know, old man haircuts.
Yep.
Yeah. I went on a deep dive to learn how to provide for women that are going through hair loss to be able to stay in salons. I first started doing it, and then I learned how to get good at it, and then we added toppers into the mix, and now we've added men's hair replacement.
Oh my God, I look like a father. I don't like this. Nope, stop.
You need a moment to pray?
I do.
When you can't grow it anymore, you have two options. You can either be okay with it, or you can get hair replacement. There's different types of hair replacement. Based on the pictures that you and I talked
Yep.
about before, you sent me some pictures of what ideally
Dreamy celebrities, yes.
dreamy celebrity
Yes,
hair, and that's
yes.
what I'm here to give you.
Okay, oh, great.
Super.
Oh, good.
Some of the hair replacement you can get is surgically done, and some of it's cosmetically done. We mostly work in the cosmetic side.
Usually when someone puts glue in your hair, it's not a good thing, right?
That's right. That's right. We're going to make it a good thing.
Everyone, please
Everybody
come
wants to
touch my
Mike's
head. Please come touch my head.
It's something that is, the technology has changed so much over the years, it doesn't look like, you know, a toupee anymore. It looks like, you know, everyday hair and everyday styles.
And as you're applying it to the head, you want to put a little bit of tension on it as you're peeling it back.
You're like pushing down as
Look
you
down for
push
me.
back.
There you go. That's right. But I'm kind of spreading the unit a little bit wider. It's quite a transition.
Oh my gosh, look at that though. Look at my, like that hairline. Isn't that crazy?
The technology that's available today, we use products like a thin skin that, you know, mimics the natural hair growth and mimics the natural skin color. So you can see through it. It looks natural. It looks like biological hair. You would never know the difference.
This is crazy. Wow. It's like my old hair, but like
Better.
way better, and no product.
That's right.
That's the best part.
Wow.
Mike, I mean, everybody in the studio is captivated by that segment.
The technology has
process?
changed.
Yes.
Completely.
Okay, so you've had this for a couple weeks now.
Yes.
So tell us about the process of that, because at first it was kind of like, oh my gosh, this is a big change.
Well, I had a huge just mental change because I had to deal with more hair, right? I've never had this much hair in my entire life.
It looks so good.
It looks so
Thank you.
natural.
Thank
I know.
you. It is very natural, and there's parts of process of having a little more hair, and I have to style it. It's more time getting ready in the morning, but it's like having just more extensions on your head.
Yeah, I love extensions. I have
Yeah,
them
a lot
all
of
the
people
time.
on our staff have extensions. It's just having one large extension on your hair.
Yeah. What's the reaction been to everybody around?
A few of you have noticed and have emailed me saying I look younger, and it's pulled out my eyes.
Oh.
My eyes look much bigger. And a lot of people have come up to me and said, you did something with your beard. And I'm like, no, actually, it's my hair that's different. So that's been really fascinating. But it's making me look younger, which I love.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, truthfully, though, I mean, you did have some hair in the front, so it was, I
little.
mean, that's a change. But like, it's the spot in the back that I'm sure that when we didn't really notice because you were using that product.
Yeah.
And now
Love
you don't have to use that product anymore.
I'm gone, and that product was a powder, and now my counters in my bathroom are now completely clean.
Okay, so how long does this last, and what's the maintenance like?
So the products last about 4 to 6 months, depending on how much you want to take care of it and how well you take care of it. It's just like any other product. It's going to deteriorate over time. You're going to lose some hair. So the folks at Reflect will help you guide you through the process. So this one will last me through the fall, through the state fair. So if you come out to me in Twin Cities Live at the state fair, you can touch my hair and check it out for yourself.
I'd be careful what you wish for, though.
But you can treat it like human hair. That's the crazy part. So I shower with shampoo and conditioner just like anyone else does.
Yeah, this is great.
Okay, real quick, tell everybody about the new law in Minnesota.
So if you are a cancer going under cancer treatment and you are under chemotherapy, you lost all your hair, there's a new state law here in Minnesota that will let you get this done with your insurance.
It requires insurance companies to cover it.
Exactly.
Yes, yeah.
So check it out and call the folks at Reflect to get this done.
Mike,
Yeah.
listen, this was really vulnerable. We really appreciate you sharing. You look fantastic. You're
Thank you.
amazing. If you're interested in this hair replacement system that Mike received, you can reach out to the team at Reflect.Salon. They are the pros. They have locations in Plymouth, Maple Grove, and their inside Ridgedale Center in Minnetonka. And their contact information is posted on TwinCitiesLive.com.
Sexy guy.
We'll be back right after this.